Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to see list in Python. List is a type of sequence in Python. Many values can be put into a single list, bifurcated each with comma, and all the values together mentioned inside the square brackets. Lists in Python are mutable. That means we will be able to change the value of an element. First example, there are 4 integers bifurcated with comma mentioned inside the square bracket. This is a list having 4 values in it. Similar way, we can have different types of data into it. Example 6, 5.5, 34.748. See some of the integers, float numbers, and also a string which is book here, and then again there is integer type. So mixed data types can be put in a single list. We can also mention a list inside the other list. See the second element, if you see, it is a list having 30, 60, 90 as its values. Again playground is the string, 1, 2, 3 is a integer, again float number is there. Let us understand more by creating list using IDLE. Let me first create one empty list. I have li_1 as the variable to store the list, and then I open the square bracket, close the square bracket. There is no element available inside this square bracket. That means it is empty. So I just press enter. So if I want to know what is li_1, I can write li_1. I will get the values of this. So as it is empty, it will be showing again empty to us. If I want to mention the values inside the list, let me create one more list. li_2 is equal to, let me give some values, 5, 9, 1, and then also here laptop, mouse, 3.45, 5J, it is a complex number. One more string with double quote. So now I press enter. So it will be stored in list called li_2. So li_2. So here is the list having multiple values in it, having different data types. Now let us see how do we refer each element of a list. For example, I have lis is equal to ant ball and the list def string 24, 7, 365 are its elements. As we have seen, string has index numbers for each of its character. Here the list also will be mentioned with its index number. The index number always starts from 0 when it is from left to right. For example, here ant will be having 0 as its index number, ball is 1, and the complete list, that is 10, 20, 30 is a single list, that is one single element having 2 as its value, and then def as a string having 3 as its index number, 24 as 4, 7 as 5, and then 365 as 6. Now if you see from right to left, even we can go from right to left, the index number here it will start from -1. So here 365 is -1, 7 is -2, so on it will be ending at -7. So if you want to mention the position, then we can say length of list -1. What is length means? The total number of elements in the list is only the length. So the last index number will be 1 lesser than the length. The index number starts from 0, but when we count as 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or we can also have minus 1 as its index number, which will be the last element. If we want to say the position and then index number plus 1 when we count from left to right. So let us understand clearly using ideally. So here in list 2, 5 will be having the index number as 0, 9 will be having 1, 1 will be having 2, laptop will be having 3, and so on. So if I want to read the fourth element, that it is a laptop here, the index number is 3. So how do I read that particular element or extract that value? Here is, I will be mentioning the name of the list li underscore 2, and then I will open the square bracket and then I will write its index number, which is 3 here, so that laptop is being extracted here. So similar way, if I want any other value at particular index number you want to know, I will be able to give li underscore 2. In the square bracket, I will mention 5. So the value 3.45 has appeared here. Similar way, if the index numbers, if you want to run from right to left, so you can have minus 1, minus 2 like that. So nice will be having minus 1 as its index number from right to left, that which is the last element here in the list. So let us check here li underscore 2 of minus 1. So it will be giving nice as its answer. So here there are 8 elements. So the length of this list will be 8. So the first element in reverse order, if we check, minus 8 will be that. So li underscore 2 of minus 8, if I give, it will be the first element. Otherwise, I can also give li underscore 2 of 0 there. So that is also indicating the first element. As I said, lists are mutable type. That means we can change the value of an element. So for example, if I want to change a laptop into a PC, here 3 is the index number. So what I will do, it is so simple. As we extract, we will give li underscore 2 of 3. In this place, we need a new value. So that value just we will type here, that as PC there. So that value is replaced here. So if I see now, li underscore 2 will be with new value of the list. If we are having a very big list, we can also type it in the next line. So for example, I have li is equal to, I have a very big list. For example, wheat, fruit, vegetable, rice, some numbers I give here. So if I want to give the next value, I can just put comma and then we can write it in the next line. So automatically it will take even the elements which are in the next line unless we close the bracket. So now I close. So the big list which is in the next line also being accepted here. So li is the list as it is. So if we are having n number of values for the list, we can put it into next lines. It doesn't matter. Hope this is very clear for you. Let us continue in the next class. Until then, thank you and bye.